Hello and welcome back. Let's try out to make a bolt. Click on sketch, choose this top surface, make it normal. Go for hexagon, define sides 6, go for small dimension from this line till this line, it is 120. Go for isometric, go for extrude, define it 25 and hit OK. Now again I will go for sketch, choose this top surface, make it normal, go for circle, define dimension 75, 100 and enter. Okay. Now I'll go for extrude, define this region, define the height 200 and I will just hit OK. Go for the isometric. Now unhide all the planes, hide all the planes, go for isometric. Now I will go and will apply a helix. This is height and turns. Circular edge is this one. Flip the direction and it's a clockwise. Height must be 100 and revolution is 12. Start angle is 0 degree and you can keep it 12 degree as well. I will hit OK. Now I will create a plane and perpendicular to this point and helix. For that I will choose curve point and select this helix and this point. Now a plane is created. I will go for sketch and I will choose this plane, make it normal. Okay, make it normal. And now I will go for this inscribed like this. I will press escape. And I will hit OK. Go for the isometric view and I will just hide this plane, go for sweep, and now my profile is this one and the path is this one, and now you can see I want to remove the material. Instead of extrude and hit OK, go for the isometric. So this is how you can make a simple bolt. If you go for this sketch, make it normal and you can define, and let's see what if I make a bit bigger it, keep it 5, hit enter, OK. And now let's see what changes come inside the, let me just okay, anyway, so it's really fine for me right away. See, so hope you understand and thanks for watching.